Hello everybody, thanks, welcome to the bush. Guys, what do our South African people like? Hey? Vleis. For the English people, vleis. No, meat. Yeah, but the problem is, you can never find bloody lekker meat, okay? It either have too much fat, too little fat, or it just looks a little bit dodgy, okay? Imagine you got your little shop there and you're selling vleis. Next moment you look at this version and you go, ooh. Yeah, it's not lekker, eh? Spite poop for a week. Yeah, doesn't do that, okay? So I'm going to make it my bloody mission to find the ultimate meat wholesaler by South Africa. Someone that can handle wors. Or a choppie. Of 'n lekker agterkwart. Lekker boude. Yeah. Let's go find him. Look at the sexy boude. We do you. We do you. You know that the meat are fresh when they are kept cold, frozen. Can cut windows. So like you can see, life is too short to be a normal chop. Get a little bloody crazy. Baartman Meat Market.
Wees jou vlees, jij wees jou